Meteorologist Joe Bastardi with Go Salt Weekly Winter Update. Well, we're starting the week Sunday, late Sunday night and Monday morning with some snow around, but that moves off in the 24-hour period beginning 12Z Monday. That's 7 a.m. You can see the snow mostly off the picture over here. And we get to, let's see what we look like Tuesday night, Wednesday night. And that storm earlier, that storm looked like we were going to get a big cold high in the way and try to be snow in the eastern quarter, and no such luck. It pulls up into the Great Lakes. However, piece of energy comes around, and when the front reaches the coast later Friday night, possibility a storm blows up along the Virginia Capes and comes northward. And you can see the model, some of its members here are trying to see that kind of situation going on. And then when we get to Sunday, you can see the remnants of that. And by Monday, it's gone. We look at these snow amounts this upcoming week. And again, you got to pay attention to your weekly or your winter weather alerts. Things change later in the week. But a very warm week on the way. Well, I don't know if that's that warm, but certainly not as warm as this past week, which was a blowtorch. And we see when we look at what's going on week two, a similar pattern. But then week three, we turn cold. I'll tell you what. Look, we're running the. If you looked at our preseason forecast, we talked about the 89, 90, 05, 06, and 50, 51 analogs. Front 45 days of winter were cold. All right. Now I realize it didn't snow much in the eastern quarter, but they wound up colder than normal across much of the United States. So we get the big January thaw, and the question is, does winter return? And it certainly looks that way to me. And once it returns, it's going to stick around, I think. Here's the February forecast, and this has been getting colder and colder on each run. So this is not done yet. It's a pretty monumental January thaw, no question about that. It wasn't totally unexpected. We knew we were going to snap out once the cold dumped in. And the question, in fact, in the preseason winter outlook, I thought it was going to get warm and stay warm. I no longer believe that. Okay, I think it's timing. As soon as this forcing from what we call the Madden-Julian oscillation kicks in, I think things will be turning around pretty quick. Anyway, that's it for now. Enjoy the weather.